No wrinkles, no pores, no blemishes, a perfectly flawless skin is what Japanese women are known for. Most of the Japanese women tend to look 10 years younger than their age, and here are those 9 beauty secrets that Japanese women do to make their skin fine and perfect. Number 1. Using rice water. Japanese women use rice water for cleansing their skin and long hair. This is their everyday routine that they have followed since centuries, though modern Japanese women may not use rice water that frequently. Rice water is rich with key vitamins like vitamin A, C, and vitamin E. Furthermore, it's also rich with phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and some essential amino acids. All these nutrients are proved to nourish and heal the skin. Vitamin C content in rice water stimulates tyrosine, which is an enzyme that regulates the melanin production, a key compound that is produced under the skin while it is exposed to sunlight. Certain environmental factors like temperature, sunlight, and trans fats in processed food are responsible for producing free radicals in our skin. These free radicals are unstable molecules and have deficiency of one or more than one electron. To get stability, these free radicals react with other molecules and consequently damage our cells and degenerate our DNA. When cells are damaged and DNA degenerates due to unstable free radicals, your skin tone gets darker and dull with scaly patches and fine lines. Studies show that antioxidants in fermented rice water boost level of collagen, which is a vital compound that replaces and restores damaged cells. So antioxidants in rice water will hydrate our skin by retaining more moisture and boost our collagen and also stabilize free radicals. How to prepare fermented rice water. Now let's look at the preparation of fermented rice water to get the most nutrients out of rice. Take a cup of white rice and clean them thoroughly. Now add 2 cups of filtered water and keep rice in this water for 30 minutes. Next, filter the rice and separate the rice pulp from the rice water. Cover the rice water so that no air enters in the jar. If you're living in a hot area, rice water will undergo fermentation in less than 24 hours. Otherwise, you have to keep it for 48 hours. When rice water starts smelling a little sour or has little bubbles over the top, it means it has fermented well. Now apply this water on your skin with a cotton swab. Make sure not to use your used makeup brush. You'll feel much softer and clearer skin after using this water on your face for a week. Number 2. Japanese women protect their skin from sunlight. White skin covers 7 folds. A famous Japanese saying tells us about white skin obsession in Japanese people. In Japanese culture, white is considered as a color of rich, while pale or yellow color means you've been working outdoor as a laborer. This old concept in Japan has made Japanese women conscious of their skin tone. Japanese women hate to have a tan skin, and that's why they protect their skin from UV radiations of sun. We all know that UV radiations are number 1 enemy to our skin. It can kill our skin's natural collagen and make our facial skin thinner and pigmented. And probably that's the only reason why Japanese people don't visit their beaches as frequently as Americans do. And if they go to beach, they would take a parasol with them to get a shade from sunlight. Japanese women also take umbrellas with them during summers and keep most of their body covered to avoid damage from sunlight. Number 3. Bathing in warm water. In Japan, warm water bathing is pretty common and traditional thing. There are many public bathhouses called sento where anyone can sit and relax. Most of the towns in Japan have baths for males and females. This practice has got Japanese people a number of benefits. Firstly, when we soak our body in hot water, our skin becomes more porous and absorbs minerals from water. Also, dead skin cells become hard over time and and get better exfoliation during a hot bath. Studies suggest that hot bath also boosts our metabolism and reduces inflammation that might speed up the process of aging. Besides that, brain hormones released during a hot bath de-stress our mind and body, elevating depression and mental fatigue. Other than public bathing, night bath is a must in Japanese women's life. They would never sleep with dust and dirt or makeup on their face. Japanese women also have night skin care routine to make their skin more beautiful and radiant. Number 4. Use of camellia oil. Camellia oil is a very popular product used by Japanese women. This oil is extracted from seeds of camellia flowers. Even market-based products in Japan also use this oil for skincare. This oil is rich with essential vitamins like A, D, E, antioxidants, and lots of essential fatty acids. These ingredients moisturize and hydrate their skin. This oil is also rich with linoleic acid, which is a key element to retain moisture in our skin and improve its texture. Unlike most of the oils used on skin, camellia oil doesn't clog pores and reduces inflammation caused by acne. It's a kind of oil that can be used for all skin types. It gets absorbed well in skin and gives fast healing results. Number 5. Collagen in Japanese diet. Japanese women eat foods rich in collagen protein. So first, we should know exact mechanism of collagen in our skin. Middle layer of our skin consists of group of cells called fibroblasts. These fibroblasts secrete collagen protein, which is a vital part of our skin that maintains flexibility and softness of our facial muscles. Collagen is in abundance during youth, but it depletes as we grow older. Japanese women take liquid collagen as a dietary supplement which gets easily absorbed in body and promotes collagen production naturally in body. Collagen supplements with high-quality hydrolyzed collagen are readily available in Japan. Also, Japanese eat fish 3 to 5 times in a week. Other seafoods are also consumed in plenty, which make Japanese diet rich of collagen. Number 6. Regular self-massage. You've expensive cosmetic products, but you might have overlooked the benefits of having a regular face massage. Face and body massage is equally popular in Japan as it gives a number of benefits for skin. Yukuku, Tanaka massage, Zogan massage, and face yoga are some of the massaging techniques that ancient Japanese women have been using since long. You might be wondering which massage is better for your skin. During our research, we found that all these massaging techniques have one thing in common. Applying gentle pressure and squeezing facial muscles is an exercise to lift up the facial muscles. Other than its anti-sagging benefits, massage gradually removes dead skin cells from top layer of your skin. Massaging also improves blood circulation in skin cells and tissues. Now the real question is, what makes their face massage special than regular massage? Probably it's because profound use of rice water or other massaging masks like flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is rich with vitamins and minerals like proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, and a number of different antioxidants like alpha-linoleic acid, thiamine, or vitamin B1. Together, all these minerals boost collagen production in skin and stabilize free radicals that damage our skin cells. Not only facial massage, overall body massage is also popular in Japan, and it is considered as important as workout in Japan. Body massage is mainly to de-stress our body and release brain chemicals that improve mood. Japanese believe that massage releases energy blocks in our body and creates a balance between mind and soul. Shiatsu is a special kind of massage which involves applying pressure through different fingers, thumb and palm in a specific sequence. If you're feeling deprived of this massage because you're living outside Japan, you can learn these massage techniques from YouTube videos. We've linked down some Korean and Japanese massaging tutorials to help you out. Number 7. Maintaining a healthy weight. It's a common fact that slim people tend to look younger than those who've put on extra pounds. According to a survey, there are only 3% people in Japan who are considered overweight or obese, while on the other hand, we have booming 42% obese individuals in USA. Being overweight is not healthy, and you might catch a number of inflammatory diseases if you're an obese individual. Obesity increases load on your joints and causes early joint pain. In our last video, we've discussed in detail how extra weight can cause aging. Now comes the real point. How do Japanese women manage to have a healthy weight? Well, this is because they prefer white meat or red meat and consume plenty of plant-based proteins instead of animal-based proteins. White meat is healthy and has lots of essential nutrients. It contains more minerals and fewer fats. Red meat can cause inflammation and increase the risk of obesity. White meat, which is profoundly consumed in Japan, is the key to their long-lasting youth and slimmer bodies. Not only that, Japanese people love green tea, and it's a part of their daily routine to take green tea before and after meals. Green tea is rich with variety of vitamins like B2, vitamin C, folic acid, catechins, and amino acids. EGCG is the most important antioxidant found in green tea, which protects our cells from damage of UV radiations. EGCG have been known to increase cell turnover and give soothing effects to skin. Number 8. Avoiding dairy. Besides the fact that Japanese people are mostly lactose intolerant, a condition in which a person lacks ability to digest lactose sugar in milk, they avoid dairy most of the times. Not only in Japan, but consumption of dairy products is significantly lower in other Asian countries like Korea and China. Many recent studies show that consuming milk on a regular basis can cause inflammation in some people. It can also cause acne on your face. Consuming dairy can also increase oxidative stress in your body and hence cause premature aging. While there are some researches which say that milk has retinol in it, which can cause skin elasticity, ground reality is different. Number 9. Being beauty conscious. If we look at an overall Japanese lifestyle, we see that Japanese are very health conscious. They spend 10% of their GDP on health and have very strict laws regarding health, like ban on smoking. Looking beautiful and young is a national hobby in Japan. Girls from very young age are made aware of Japanese beauty secrets, and they even discuss beauty and health topics on their mass media. This contributes a lot to their flawless skin. So if you want same results, try to be more conscious of your health and keep yourself updated with the right knowledge on skin and healthcare. So guys, how was today's video? Let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also ring the bell icon for more updates.